Unraveling the Metaphor, a River of Blood. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of metaphors with a phrase that's both vivid and powerful: a river of blood. Metaphors can enrich our language, offering deep insights or evocative imagery with just a few words. This phrase is a perfect example, and we're going to explore its meaning, usage, and how it can enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the phrase itself, it's crucial to understand what a metaphor is. A metaphor is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase is applied to an object or action to which it is not literally applicable. It's a way of comparing two things, suggesting they are alike in some way, without using like or as, which would instead make a simile. Metaphors are used to add color and depth to language, making descriptions more vivid and impactful. The phrase, "a river of blood," is a powerful metaphor that is used to describe a situation where there has been a great loss of life, often as a result of violence or battle. The image it conjures is one of so much bloodshed that it is as if a river of blood has been formed. It's not meant to be taken literally. Rather, it's used to evoke a strong emotional response and to convey the gravity of the situation. Throughout history and literature, the phrase, "a river of blood," has been employed to underscore the severity of conflicts and tragedies. It's often associated with wars, battles, and revolutions, where the loss of life is extensive. Authors and speakers use this metaphor to draw attention to the horror and sadness of these events, creating a vivid mental image of the consequences of human conflict. When using the phrase, "a river of blood," it's important to be mindful of the context. Due to its strong imagery and association with violence and death, it should be used sparingly and with sensitivity. It's most appropriate in discussions or writings about historical events, literature analysis, or any context where you aim to highlight the severity of loss and tragedy. Understanding and using metaphors like "a river of blood" can add depth and emotion to your English communication. Today, we've uncovered the layers behind this powerful phrase, seeing how it can convey intense imagery and emotions with just a few words. Remember, metaphors are a tool to make your language more descriptive and engaging. We hope this video has been informative and enriching for your English learning journey. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of language.